WazirX has been making waves in the crypto trading scene, particularly in India. But with so many exchanges out there, is it really worth your time and money? Let's delve into what makes WazirX stand out and where it might fall short. WazirX is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is the user-friendly interface, which makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. The platform supports a diverse range of coins, from popular choices like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, giving users plenty of options. Another notable aspect is the integration with Binance, one of the largest exchanges globally. This partnership enhances liquidity, allowing for smoother transactions. WazirX also offers features like staking and a built-in wallet, which can be convenient for users looking to manage their assets in one place. However, not everything is crystal clear. Some users have reported issues with customer support responsiveness, which can be frustrating when you're dealing with financial transactions. Overall, while WazirX has a lot going for it, there are areas that could be improved in terms of transparency and user support. On the pro side, WazirX is definitely user-friendly and offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to trade. The partnership with Binance is a big plus, providing enhanced liquidity and security features. The staking options are a nice touch for those looking to earn passive income on their holdings. However, there are some downsides. User complaints about customer service can't be ignored. Getting timely help can be a challenge. Additionally, the platform has faced scrutiny over regulatory issues, which could raise concerns for cautious investors. The fees, while competitive, may not be the lowest out there, especially for smaller transactions. So, while WazirX may be great for new traders, those looking for a robust support system or who are wary of regulatory uncertainties might want to consider other options. In conclusion, WazirX is a solid choice for beginners and casual traders looking to dive into cryptocurrency. However, if you value strong customer support and clarity around regulatory issues, you might want to explore other exchanges. Overall, it's worth a try, but proceed with caution and do your homework first.